fucking over this shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, you guys, I am doing something very drastic. I'm cutting off my hair. I'm sick of it. I'm over it. Yeah. So I've been on this natural hair journey since 2011. Can't tell. When I went to college, I didn't know nothing about natural hair. By the time I started learning, like, I was just like, I still don't know shit. And I always have like breakage on the ends of my hair, around the perimeter. And then also, I think it's hereditary, but I like have thinning, and like it gets really short like in the middle of my head. So I'm just at a point where I'm just like over it. I'm like, so I'm literally just about to cut all this shit off because I'm over it and I want to try something new. But y'all, like, I'm so nervous. Like, I've never been like bald-headed, like, at all. Jax, bruh. But like, yeah, so I'm gonna, this is all me, y'all. I'm about to get all this stuff. I didn't even try to comb it, so hopefully homeboy don't ask me to do so. But yeah, I'm ready to get all this off. Like, you can see some like thinning in here. It's kind of short. Sorry, y'all, I just took these out of braids. So I actually am getting ready to go to that appointment. That is at 4:30, so I'm taking you guys with me. And we're gonna see how this process is. See, like, look, like, bruh. I'm a little crazy. So y'all, I decided to like comb my hair out because I figured I ain't about to go there and do that. I wasn't gonna show up without it at least stretched out so he could do what he gotta do to it. So yeah, we're gonna head there and get this going, y'all. Hey y'all, so I'm done. Oh my gosh, look, y'all, I cut it all off. I didn't even cry. I took it like a G. But tell me what y'all think. Yes, man. But I'm excited. I'm excited for this journey, so I ain't even gonna lie. I'm so hyped. This is bomb. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like my cut or not. And if you don't, I don't fucking care. But if you do, like, what's up? Like, oh my god, I love it. Now I'm about to go home and wash this shit because it itch like so bad. But yeah, so do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sis, subscribe. Why are you not subscribed? And if you're in Cincinnati, hit up Sam because he was really nice. They were very, like, they made me very comfortable. Like, I was hella nervous. So, like, they talked me down. It was cool. I thought it was really nice. The hospitality was great. So, definitely go check him out. I have his information below or somewhere on here. You can hit him up on the cut. But, yeah. And with that being said, I will see y'all in my next video.